Okay, let's try this function question. There's something that looks like a hyperbola, I think, and a line. Write down the domain of f. Well, you just have to know that you can put anything you like in for x, but you can't put in 3. And that's the domain. X is an element of the real numbers, but x cannot equal 3. Calculate the x-intercept of f. Well, all you have to do is let y equal 0 and solve it. I just add 1, then multiply by x minus 3, then add 3, x equals 5. Well, that makes sense because 2 divided by 2 would be 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0, so it's true. So 5 and 0 is the coordinates of the x-intercept. Draw the graphs f and g on the same axes. So all you've got to do is you know that y equals minus 1 is a horizontal line. That's one of the asymptotes. X equals 3 is the other. The branches are in the first quadrant and third quadrant, and that's what it looks like. Y equals minus 1, x equals 3, and there has to be 2 branches like this, and 1 branch has to go through 5. But you have to let x equals 0, and then you get minus 2/3 minus 1. That's minus 5/3. That's why the y-intercept is minus 5/3. Just put 0 in there. Now, if x is 0, y is minus 3 on the line. And if y is 0, x must be positive 3. Just connect those 2 points and keep them going. And there's the equation of g. Okay, there it is all sketched. Now here's the harder question. Calculate the values of x for which f will be bigger than g. If x is bigger than 3, where does f is the hyperbola, where does it go above g? Well, it looks like it's above it here, but it's below it here. So maybe it's here. It's certainly f is below here, but they said bigger than 3, and I can see f is below 3. So the key thing we have to figure out is, where do these two guys cross? Where do they equal each other? Well, all you do is make them equal to each other, and you'll get this line. So I did that. I let them equal each other. I multiplied everything by x minus 3. And I think I might have found a mistake because, oh no, it is right. I just looked at this. So if I multiply minus, I'll get minus x, but minus 1 times minus 3 would make it plus 3. So this is right. And then what I'd do is I'd take away 5 from 9. I'd get 4. I'd factor this, x minus 1 and x minus 4. So 1 is the place right there where it goes through, and 4 right there. Okay, that makes sense. So now we know that number's 4. Then we can see it's to the left of 4, less than or equal to 4 that will make this f is bigger than g, or anywhere to the right of this line. So it's got to be x is greater than 3. Right in between here, 4 and 3. Bigger than 3, but less than or equal to 4. And there you go.